JAMB Mathematics Section I-2C covers expressing values to a specified number of decimal places. In a 40-question exam, maintaining precision here is a requirement for any candidate aiming for a top-tier score. The challenge lies in how the questions are framed. Examiners often design problems that tempt you to use the rules for significant figures when the syllabus specifically asks for decimal places. This usually leads to a specific mechanical error, starting the count from the first non-zero digit. For this objective, you must establish your starting position strictly after the decimal dot. Standardizing that starting point ensures that even a long, complex decimal follows a predictable and easily scorable pattern. To see how this rounding logic works in practice, we can look at a familiar concept, naira and kobo. If you buy an item for $5.89 and a tax of just one extra kobo is added, the value rolls up to $5.90. That smallest unit of currency dictates the value of the digit next to it. Mathematically, we do this by identifying the target digit and checking the decider digit immediately to its right. If the decider is 5 or greater, add 1 to the target. If it is less than 5, the target remains unchanged. If you want to practice this logic with more examples, the interactive audio and chat sections are available for one-on-one support before we move to a full exam problem. Rounding is a mechanical execution based on the behavior of that immediate next digit. When the rule is applied correctly, the final value is never a matter of intuition. Let's apply this to a standard UTME challenge. We need to evaluate 1.25 times 0.025 divided by 0.05. Then express the result to one decimal place. We will use a 4-phase execution. Phase 1, isolate the division. By moving the decimal point 2 places to the right in both the numerator and denominator, we turn 0.025 divided by 0.05 into 2.5 divided by 5. This yields 0.5. For phase 2, pause the video and multiply 1.25 by 0.5 on your own. Hit play when you are ready to check your work. Phase 3 gives us our raw result, 0.625. This is the unrounded value we will use for our final step. In phase 4, we count one spot after the dot to find our target, which is the 6. The digit immediately to its right, the 2, is our decider. Since 2 is less than 5, the target stays the same, leaving us with a final answer of 0.6. The exam provides 4 options: A, 6.3, B, 0.5, C, 0.6, and D, 6.2. Option A is designed for students who make a decimal error early in the calculation. If a student reaches 0.625 and then rounds up, they will incorrectly choose this distractor. These options reinforce a specific priority. You must resolve every arithmetic operation in the expression fully before performing the rounding as your final step. By completing the multiplication first and then applying the decider rule, option C becomes the only logical result. To lock in this process, navigate to your dashboard and complete the mastery quiz for section I-2C. Passing this quiz is the final proof that you are ready for this section of the exam.